Hey there everyone, just a normal handy dandy day at the Origaudio office. Today I'm going to teach you about bundles. Why bundles? Why bundles? Well, we'll tell you why. One of my favorite features of the bundles is to give it as a welcome present to new hires. Sit it on the desk nice and neat. Everything comes packaged for them when they come onto their first day. They open the backpack. Wow, a speaker? Wow, earbuds? Wow. A ringer and a Kraken? Oh my God, this is amazing! Another awesome reason for why bundles. It makes a perfect thank you gift for your clients or for someone who's done you a great favor. All the great accessories are in the inside. This is beautiful imprint area. It makes people go, wow, I'll always remember the company that gave me this awesome thank you gift. Another good idea, use it as an incentive or bribery. We're not gonna judge. But if your salespeople need a little oomph in their step, put the bundle on their desk, constant reminder to try to get those numbers up so you can go on that sales trip. Bundles make co-branding easy. When you have a bunch of different exhibits for a museum or a bunch of sub-departments for one company, put all those different logos into one bundle and it looks great. Whatever you use them for, they're a great sales incentive, end of the year gift, holiday present, yes, I said the H word, anything for your clients and your company needs. I could go on and on.
Could be a good thank you present to someone you really don't like, trying to get them on your good side. I think it'd be a really cool recruiting gift. Ooh, try to impress someone. You're trying to get those, potential customers. You want them to like you a lot. So